Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how you can bake rock cookies at home, and these are our ingredients. First of all, we have 2 cups of flour, and we have 1 cup of raisins, and quarter glass of milk, and half a glass of sugar, and there we have also 120 grams of butter, and on this side we have a pinch of salt, and quarter tablespoon of grounded cinnamon, and we also have a tablespoon of baking powder, and lastly we have an egg, and these are our ingredients. Firstly, we add all of our solid ingredients into a big bowl, starting with flour, baking powder, cinnamon and salt, and then we add our butter. We mix them and we make sure that the texture is almost like the wet sand. Then we add the milk and an egg into a smaller bowl, and we whisk them gently before adding to the bigger bowl. Now we add it and we knead it for a few more seconds. As the last step before baking our rock cookies, we mix the raisins with our dough. Our mixture is ready. Now we make palm-sized dough and place them on the baking tray like this. We place the tray in the oven that we heated up to 175 degrees, and we leave it to bake for almost 25 minutes. And now that our cookies are baked, we take them out of the oven, and here, if you like, you can place an walnuts or an hazelnut on top of the cookies. Now they are ready to be enjoyed. Look how delicious they are. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.